Kurumjari, Namaste, hello. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you to a quick tour of Inorbit Mall in Hyderabad, one of the busiest and most happening malls in the city. So let's enjoy the video. It's a short video, but I hope you guys will like it. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, then press the bell icon. And please don't forget to comment also. Let's enjoy. As my thumbnail suggested, this is going to be a quick escape. So let's begin. As soon as you walk in, you are hit with this modern, vibrant vibe. It's clean, spacious, and packed with everything: fashion, food, tech, and more. If you are into shopping, this place won't disappoint. From international brands to local favorites, you will find it all. Honestly, it's hard not to spend money here. Feeling hungry? The food court here is massive. You have got everything from fast food to fine dining. It's just perfect for quick snack or a full meal. And here I am trying Haldiram's Pani Puri because how can I miss out Pani Puri after living for so many months in Coimbatore without eating this perfect Pani Puri? Here comes the end to my quick tour of Inorbit Mall Hyderabad. I hope you guys like it, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and of course give wonderful comments to my video, and hope to see you soon again in another video. Till then, bye.